Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with our top picks for the best electric hand planers of 2023. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional carpenter, finding the right tool can make all the difference. Join us as we explore the features, efficiency, and precision of the latest models, helping you choose the perfect planer for your woodworking projects this year. Let's get started. Number 5. The electric hand planer is a woodworking marvel, designed for precision and efficiency. Compatible with Makita's 18-volt battery, sold separately, it boasts a cutting depth of 0 to 2 mm and a cutting width of 82 mm, making it versatile for various woodworking tasks. Operating at a rapid 15,000 R/min, it ensures swift and accurate wood cutting. Crafted with a durable aluminum bottom plate and a V-shaped guide groove, this planer offers stability and control. The large-caliber chip removal design guarantees smooth debris removal, enhancing the machine's lifespan. Its user-friendly features include a soft rubber handle for comfortable operation, a manual control switch, and a safety lock button, ensuring secure usage. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this planer is your reliable companion for precise and effortless woodworking tasks. Number 4. The WEN 3¼ 6-amp electric hand planer is a powerhouse tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its robust 6-amp motor delivers an impressive 34,000 cuts per minute, effortlessly smoothing out joists, doors, and misshapen edges. With a cutting width of 3¼ inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1/8 inch, it's ideal for precise fitting and squaring of boards. This planer offers exceptional versatility with 16 positive stops, adjustable from 0 to 1/8 inches, ensuring accurate and customized cuts. The parallel fence guarantees straight cuts, essential for planing door edges, wood trim, and boards. Its thoughtful design includes a V-shaped groove on the base plate, perfect for flattening sharp post corners. Additionally, the integrated kickstand protects both the blade and workpiece between uses, while the dust bag efficiently collects shavings, keeping your workspace clean. The flexibility to attach the bag on either side of the planer adds to its user-friendly features. Backed by one's reliability, this electric hand planer comes with a 2-year warranty, making it a durable and trusted choice for your woodworking projects. Number 3. The cordless electric planer is a woodworking marvel, designed for effortless precision. Crafted from durable alloy in a striking blue, it cuts through solid wood with ease. Its manual adjustment feature allows a depth range of 0 to 2 mm, ensuring tailored results. Featuring an aluminum bottom plate and a V-shaped guide groove, this planer guarantees smooth operation. The large-caliber chip removal design ensures efficient debris management, prolonging the machine's life. Comfort is key, thanks to its soft rubber handle that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Safety is paramount with its manual control switch and lock button, guaranteeing secure operation. Perfect for various woodworking tasks, this planer is a trusted companion for shelf workers and mechanical installations. Compatible with Makita 18-volt Li-ion batteries, it's a portable powerhouse for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 2. The 12-volt 13,000 RPM brushless cordless electric planer is a versatile woodworking tool that offers exceptional performance. Its 60 by 0.8 mm cut depth can be manually adjusted, making it ideal for cutting solid wood and various woodworking tasks. The planer features an aluminum bottom plate and a V-shaped guide groove design, ensuring precise and smooth operation. Designed with a large-caliber chip removal system, it efficiently clears debris, enhancing the machine's durability. The addition of 3D three-dimensional circulation heat dissipation, along with an exhaust pipe, prevents overheating during prolonged use, ensuring continuous and efficient performance. Safety is a priority, thanks to the manual control switch and lock button, providing secure operation. Perfect for mechanical installations and shelf work, this handheld lithium electric planer is a reliable choice for woodworking enthusiasts. Its compact size of 270 by 130 mm adds to its convenience, making it a must-have tool for any woodworking project. Number 1. The Deco electric hand planer is a powerful woodworking tool designed for precision and efficiency. With a robust 900W motor and a remarkable 16,000 RPM no-load speed, it delivers exceptional performance for various woodworking tasks. Its 3mm adjustable cut depth ensures versatility, allowing users to tailor their cuts precisely according to their project requirements. Perfect for home DIY enthusiasts, this planer is both user-friendly and reliable. Its compact dimensions of 26 cm by 16 cm by 17 cm makes it easy to handle and store. The planer boasts a total width of 82 mm, providing ample coverage for efficient material removal. Certified with CE, this deco planer guarantees safety and quality. Originating from mainland China, it combines cutting-edge technology with practical design, making it an ideal choice for woodworking enthusiasts seeking professional-grade results in their DIY projects.